We are unboxing the new BMC filter for KTM Duke 390. So this is how it looks compared to the stock one, which looks like this. So this is a paper filter. And what is this exactly?
This is actually it is a Free-Flow filter, bro.
Okay, so this is a Free-Flow filter.
And this is a lifetime filter also.
Yeah, so this lasts for a lifetime.
Yeah, this is a lifetime filter.
And this you have to change every service. That's the difference between BMC
This,
and...
if you wash with water also, nothing will happen to this.
Okay.
That will completely go off.
Okay.
You can wash this, dry this off, put on
It's something like a cloth, some kind
of...
of cloth material, I guess. Yeah.
You can just dry this off. Then put on that cleaning kit. It'll be fine. You can go.
So we'll be installing this on the 2015 Duke 390. So the installation is easy. You just have to open the air box and just put it directly. It's a direct fit. Yeah, so the air filter is installed. Now we'll be installing the battery. So the air filter is installed and the battery installed. So now we can start the bike and check for the sound of the vehicle.